is going to be education. And as we quickly talk about what's been happening vis-a-vis, remember, the education sector, when you talk of, this massive education boost, the system, there are, remember, 26 crore students who are enrolled right from the primary to the secondary levels. And this says that this is already the largest system, Meghna, in the world. You have an expansive system that plays a very crucial role in shaping the future of the country's future.
Absolutely. Our fourth award category tonight is going to be education. So the nominees in this category have been recognized for their impactful initiatives which focus on extending educational opportunities to the underserved areas and the marginalized populations, as well as enhancing the vocational training as well as upskilling to empower communities.
Yes, as always, we begin first up by looking at our nominees.
In the category of education, the nominees are Basmati Gagrai. Basmati conducts education classes for street children in Mumbai. Hundreds of students benefit from high-quality teaching and nutritious meals leading to high retention. Dr. Shankar Nath Jha. Dr. Jha has set up community cultural centers in Bihar's Jamui district, catering to the underprivileged Musahar community, which has uplifted the lives of thousands of children. Posagin Tonsing. Posagin's work in improving the lives of children with disabilities in Manipur has led to landmark changes in their accessibility, development and learning experiences. Aditya Kumar. Aditya has traveled thousands of kilometers on his cycle, teaching a record number of underprivileged children and aims to educate 1 crore of India's children. Abhishek Dubey. Abhishek's technology-led education solutions have empowered teachers and students from underserved areas in 20 districts of India to power their dreams.
And the winner for the Amazing Indian 2024 under the category for education is Posagin Tonsing. A big round of applause.
Let's also talk about his journey as he's walking up on the dais. Remember, this journey actually started with a very strong dedication to enhancing the lives of persons with disabilities, also children with disabilities. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2007, the co-founded the Center for Community Initiative, which has gone ahead to also look at a lot of other issues, transformed completely Churachandrapur and Manipur also.